Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of outdoor lighting. Outdoor wall lighting is essential for enhancing both the functionality and aesthetics of your home's exterior. By illuminating pathways, entryways, and outdoor living spaces, these fixtures improve safety while also fostering a warm and inviting atmosphere. A thoughtfully designed lighting scheme can turn a plain facade into a visually striking space, making it more appealing to guests and potential buyers. The right outdoor lighting not only highlights architectural features, but also adds charm to gardens and extends the usability of outdoor areas well into the evening. In today's competitive real estate market, first impressions are crucial, and the exterior of a home is often the first thing prospective buyers notice. Quality outdoor wall lighting can significantly boost a property's curb appeal, making it stand out in listings and showings. Moreover, with advancements in energy-efficient technology and smart home integration, outdoor lighting has become a practical investment that not only enhances beauty but also adds value to a home. As homeowners increasingly seek to improve their outdoor spaces, understanding the benefits of outdoor wall lighting is essential for maximizing both aesthetic appeal and property value. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on more great content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more engaging videos, and we appreciate it. Make sure to stick around until the end for some bonus tips and insights that you won't want to miss. Thank you for watching. Outdoor wall lighting. Outdoor wall lighting serves as both a functional and decorative element for homes. It not only illuminates pathways and entryways, but also enhances the overall aesthetic appeal of a property. The right choice of lighting can transform a dull exterior into a welcoming and visually appealing space. This article explores the various aspects of outdoor wall lighting, focusing on its impact on home aesthetics and property value. The importance of first impressions. The exterior of a home is the first thing visitors and potential buyers see. Well-chosen outdoor wall lights can significantly improve first impressions. A beautifully lit facade creates an inviting atmosphere, making guests feel welcome. Moreover, an attractive exterior can sway potential buyers during a showing, increasing the likelihood of a sale, enhancing safety and security. Beyond aesthetics, outdoor wall lighting plays a crucial role in safety and security. Proper illumination of entryways, pathways, and dark corners deters potential intruders and minimizes the risk of accidents. A well-lit environment allows residents and visitors to navigate safely, enhancing the overall sense of security. Variety of styles and designs. Outdoor wall lights come in a myriad of styles, materials, and finishes, allowing homeowners to choose fixtures that complement their architectural style. From modern to traditional designs, there's an array of options to suit any preference. This variety enables homeowners to create a cohesive look that enhances their property's unique character. Energy efficiency and sustainability. With advancements in lighting technology, many outdoor wall lights now utilize LED bulbs, which are energy efficient and long-lasting. These eco-friendly options not only reduce energy bills but also appeal to environmentally conscious buyers. Investing in energy-efficient lighting can be a selling point, adding to the overall value of the home. Creating ambience and mood. Outdoor wall lighting can help set the mood for outdoor gatherings and social events. By using different types of fixtures and lighting techniques, homeowners can create warm, inviting spaces for entertaining. Whether it's a cozy dinner on the patio or a lively barbecue, the right lighting can enhance the outdoor experience. Highlighting architectural features. Strategically placed outdoor wall lights can accentuate architectural features such as columns, doorways, and decorative elements. By directing light to these areas, homeowners can draw attention to the unique aspects of their home's design. This not only elevates the overall aesthetic, but also showcases the craftsmanship and detail of the property. Increasing property value. Investing in quality outdoor wall lighting can significantly increase a home's market value. Potential buyers often look for properties that are not only functional but also visually appealing. A well-lit exterior can make a home stand out in a competitive market, justifying a higher asking price. The role of landscape lighting. Outdoor wall lighting is often used in conjunction with landscape lighting to create a harmonious outdoor environment. By illuminating gardens, trees, and other landscape features, homeowners can extend the beauty of their property into the evening hours. This integration of lighting elements enhances the overall ambience and usability of outdoor spaces. Seasonal and festive lighting. Outdoor wall lights can also be adapted for seasonal and festive occasions. Homeowners can easily switch out fixtures or add decorative elements to celebrate holidays and events. This versatility allows for a dynamic outdoor space that can evolve throughout the year, keeping the aesthetic fresh and engaging. Maintenance and longevity. Choosing durable materials and weather-resistant fixtures is essential for outdoor wall lighting. Proper maintenance, such as regular cleaning and timely bulb replacements, ensures the longevity of lighting installations. Homeowners should consider the long-term investment aspects when selecting outdoor lights to maximize their value. DIY versus professional installation. While some homeowners may opt for DIY installation, hiring a professional can ensure that outdoor wall lighting is installed correctly and safely. Professionals can provide valuable insights regarding placement, wiring, and design, ultimately enhancing the effectiveness of the lighting. This investment in expert installation can pay off in terms of both aesthetics and functionality. Smart lighting solutions. The rise of smart home technology has also made its way into outdoor lighting. Smart outdoor wall lights allow homeowners to control their lighting systems remotely, adjusting brightness levels and schedules via smartphone apps. This convenience not only enhances safety, but also adds a modern touch to the home's exterior. Choosing the right location. The placement of outdoor wall lights is crucial for achieving the desired effect. Key areas to consider include entryways, patios, and pathways. Proper positioning ensures that the lighting serves its functional purpose while also enhancing the visual appeal of the home's exterior. Utilizing color temperature. The color temperature of outdoor wall lights can dramatically affect the ambience of a space. Warmer tones create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, while cooler tones can lend a more modern and crisp look. Homeowners should consider how different color temperatures will influence the overall aesthetic of their outdoor areas. Coordinating with other outdoor elements. Outdoor wall lighting should harmonize with other elements in the landscape, such as plants, furniture, and architectural features. A cohesive design approach ensures that the lighting complements rather than clashes with the overall outdoor decor. This coordination enhances the visual flow and creates a more balanced environment. Safety features and modern fixtures. Many modern outdoor wall lights come equipped with safety features such as motion sensors and timers. These features not only enhance security, but also improve energy efficiency by ensuring lights are only on when needed. Homeowners can enjoy peace of mind knowing their property is well lit without unnecessary energy consumption. Budgeting for outdoor lighting. When planning for outdoor wall lighting, it's essential to establish a budget. Fixtures can vary significantly in price based on materials, design, and technology. Homeowners should consider their priorities and seek a balance between quality and cost-effectiveness to maximize their investment. A worthwhile investment. In summary, outdoor wall lighting is a multifaceted investment that enhances both the aesthetics and value of a home. From creating a welcoming atmosphere to improving safety and security, the benefits are numerous. Homeowners looking to improve their property's exterior should consider the impact of outdoor wall lighting as a key component of their overall design strategy. With thoughtful selection and installation, outdoor wall lights can transform a house into a beautiful and inviting home. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found the information helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed what you saw, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content in the future. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue creating valuable videos. Don't forget to hit the like button if you appreciated this video, and feel free to share it with your friends and family who might also benefit from the insights. We love hearing from our community, so leave your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned for more engaging content coming your way soon.